New house, new town, new journey, new hairdo. There's my haircut. I like it. In our new kitchen, they had a freezer, a chest freezer here, and this little cabinet here. And we're not gonna have a chest freezer in here if we get one at all. And the way they have this laid out is so strange. Excuse all the mess. Still unpacking and trying to reorganize the kitchen. The refrigerator's way over here, and it is hooked up to water, but the ice maker doesn't work and the water isn't cold, so we don't care. We're used to not having it and using ice trays anyway. So we're going to, that's a whole nother story there, that cabinet. But we are gonna move this cabinet up. We're still gonna keep it in the corner because we're seeing that they had a hard time apparently finding some studs or something. I don't know the way they've got it screwed in. But we're gonna move it up, and we know the trim is cut out around it. We'll just have to, oh, it's gonna move it over. All right, he's got them unscrewed, and I'm gonna help him as he pries it off, help hold it up so it doesn't fall. Put him on one of them. He didn't like it? Look at how nice this park is.
We both went down.
Y'all are silly.
Let's do it again. Let's do it upside down. I'm gonna go. You go.
No, don't do it upside down.
What?
Don't do it upside down.
Why?
You might smash your head open. hose down. I exposed all kind of old termite trails, and yeah, they had termite here. They've had the place treated, but you know, we will look at it, we'll watch it. There's enough fire ants around here, they can't survive long when they do come in places they don't belong. So here we are, 1,000 times better. I still have stuff up there, but I'm scared of the electrical to really squirt a lot of water up there. I'll have to make sure the power's off before I do that. Hey, look at that huge, huge nest. Y'all, some of these dirt daubers, man, they're so freaking thick. It's like, this is hickory, okay? I'm hitting it with hickory. I don't want to knock the light down. Although it may help if I knock the light down out here. We can't get them to come on. Kevin's gonna learn to drive a tractor. Holy smoke. He's gonna have to have one now. We came out here to the barn. We're storing some junk in here until we know what to do with it. And, all this wood is in here, and I saw a thick piece. Oh, there's all kinds of clothes in here. I saw a thick piece, and I come over here and look, and it is a door. Oh my God!
Just ants. Termites.
Shoot! Those are carpenter ants. Shoot! Oh my God!
They're having a heyday.
I got spray for that.
Look, that's how I've been eating on that wood.
I got spray for them in that cabinet. When you walk in the kitchen to the left, your four carpet ants. Wow. Oh my God, they're all over the ground.
Yeah, we're gonna have to burn this way.
Oh. Oh, maybe that saved the door. See the door? Oh, look at that door. Oh my God. Please don't be ants all over it. Oh, there's not. Oh my gosh. Kevin, this has got to go on the cabin. Help me get it out of here. We can't have ants getting in. Look at that door, y'all. Look at it. It's so cute. I know that goes on the cabin. I can just tell by the size of it. Hallelujah. What a find. What a find. Let me go get my carpenter ant spray. There's a screen door. Oh my gosh. That's better than what's on there right now. Holy smokes. Look at the door. How unique. It's a 4-panel door with 3 panes. Oh my goodness. What a treasure. What a treasure. Yep. It's been cut for sure, so I know it went in the cabin.